inside the community post also. If you have done it, that's totally up to you. If you have not done it, it's okay. We have a surprise for you over there as well. Okay, so uh, all right. So I'm gonna probably select all these files. Okay, let me go and select all these files, not the questions. So what we have done is we have created these multiple files, right? And these files are basically divided into multiple, let's say, aspects. So for example, let's suppose, let's say, if you have a sales agent or a product agent, one file can be just about the features. One file can be just about all the, let's say, opening timing, closing timing. One file can be just about, let's say, refund policy. One file can just be, let's suppose, if a customer says, I want to talk to somebody, how exactly they can get in touch with you. So you can have multiple files. Instead of having one file, you can have files divided into multiple aspects, right? So that is the ideal way to give files to an agent, right? So if this is something that you have not done, that's how it's recommended. The good thing for you is, and the good news for you is that we have already created a skill, a Claude skill, and we are going to show you today, and it's going to help you in creating these files for you. So even if you have not done it, or even if you have not done in this format, you just use the Claude skill; it will do the job for you. Okay, so you will simply select all the files once the files are created. Okay, and you click on upload. Right. So you went to Vault folder, you clicked on the plus button, you selected the agent, you uploaded the files. Now, if you will see, the files are getting uploaded right over here, right? It's getting indexed at the same time. So basically, it's getting indexed, and the agent, it's getting indexed in a way that the agent should be able to read it, right? So that's how the files are getting indexed at this particular moment. And we'll allow it like 10, 15 seconds. And once it's done, then the agent is done. That's the only thing that you need to do. Literally, there is no other step. That's it. Your agent is ready. Now anybody can start talking to it. Um, However, of course, you don't want the chats to happen inside the Flexi agent interface. So ideally, not ideally, of course, you would want it to connect to some tool, right? Any tool that you are using. And it can be, any tool which is able to get connected. So that is the next step. We will show you how to connect. And but first of all, before you think about connecting it, I would suggest that you simply go to the agent, start talking to it, be satisfied with the answers. Once you are satisfied with the answers, right, then only you connected, and you connected to some tool. I hope it makes sense, right? Is this I hope this is clear. So now once the agent is ready, right, you will simply go to chat, right? You will click on new chat. Inside new chat, you will be able to find a set support, an agent by the name set hyphen support. You will click on that, and now you can simply start chatting. Right, that's it. The agent is ready, and you just need to see whether the replies are coming the way you want the replies to be. And I will show you what exactly you need to be paying attention to. Okay, I will answer all the questions, don't worry. All right, so let's suppose, let me go to my agent. uh, can you see this folder, SID stress testing? We have been testing this like a lot, right? And there are multiple variations. Have a look at this. Support, SID stress testing. A lot of testing has gone before we have actually given the access to you. And imagine we are somebody who has been running a 24/7 live chat support for the last 5 years. And live chat support, live sales chat support for the last 2.5 years. Still after so much of testing. So same thing you will have to do with your sales chat agent. You will simply upload the agent. You will simply upload the product information. As of now, I have uploaded the product information of the Sparkle Squad business. So we have created some random businesses, right? One is a coffee business. One, I believe, is some dry cleaning kind of business. Whatever random businesses we have created, we were testing with random businesses, right? So what I can do is I can open the questions file, right? And the questions file will be basically it's a bunch of questions which we have created to test our agent, right? So we can simply go over here and start putting the questions right over here. So for example, let's suppose, uh, how do I turn down a job that got assigned to me? Let's take this as an example, okay? So you can simply, you have given your product information, and once you have given your product information, um, um, you start testing it with multiple questions, the kind of questions that you have answered multiple times from your customers, and you simply see whether the replies are correct or not. And now, once you have seen whether the replies are correct or not, there are two ways to look at it. Okay, first is, people, this is very important, okay? This is very, very important. First is, let's pay attention, okay? Now once you are looking at the replies, okay, so let's suppose this is the question, and you will be looking at the reply, and this is the reply which has come out, right? Now you need to look at it from the point of view of that, one, is this reply good? Two, is this reply not good? If the reply is good, you're all good, right? Do more testing, ask multiple questions. And if a particular reply is not good, right, then what you need to do is, you need to look at the information file that was your product information file. You look at it and then you see, have I conveyed the right answer inside the information file? Because what it is doing is, if you will see, as step number one for this agent, it is going into the vault and it is searching for the documents, right? And who uploaded the documents? You were the one to upload the documents regarding your own business. So you are uploading the documents regarding your own business. It is searching the answers from there, and if the right answer has been uploaded over there, it is going to be able to find the right answer. You can see it has done some more stuff right over here. You can actually click on it and see what it has been doing. You can see the thinking, what is actually going, and then you can see what all documents it went into, and then finally it came back with the reply. Everything will happen within 2 to 3 seconds, and then finally the reply is out. Done. So if you are happy with it, perfect. If you are not happy with it, you change the vault file. That's it. Is this clear? Give me a yes if this is clear. Too easy, right? Nothing difficult over here. And the same thing will be done with respect to your sales chat agent. Very simply, you will upload the files. You will chat with it. If you are happy with the answer, you are good. If you're not happy with the answer, you are just update the vault. That's it, right? And one thing to pay attention to, and that is something which is very, very important, is that for anything that comes, see, the only place where the agent is trained on your product information is the vault, because that is the only place where we have uploaded the product information. So just pay attention to one thing, and that is whether the agent, before replying to anything, whether the agent went into the vault or not. If it went into the vault, then basically it's just the job of your document. If the agent did not go into the vault, then Flexi agent is something, as a company, we are at fault, we need to update the agent. But if it went into the vault, if it is reading your own documents and then replying back to it, then you're good, then everything is in your control, right? So that's how we need to be looking at it. And it's a job of a continuous refining, because um, uh, after having run the support portal for multiple years and sales chat portal for multiple years, what we simply what we simply do is, we simply look at all the queries which have come on a particular day. We see which queries were not replied in the right way, and then we simply update the files. That's it. That's what we have been doing for the last multiple years. And if you are using any standard tool, right? So for example, for our customer interactions, let's say the sales chat interactions, for our customer interactions, we have been using Vati. People, are you aware of Vati? It's a WhatsApp integration tool, WATI. Basically, it helps you connect WhatsApp to your business, right? So we have been using Vati for setting up the sales chat agent, and that is what we have been using, right? And for our own this thing support portal, we have been using FreshChat. So if you use any good tool like FreshChat or Vati and stuff, then the good thing is they have things like let's say a rating system. For example, if you have ever interacted with FlexiFunnels customer chat support, it has a rating system, and customers can rate whether they liked the chat or did not like the chat. And once the rating is there, you can actually just pay attention to the rating of your chat. And if any rating was not 1 star or 2 star, and so then you can just look at the chat and optimize the chat. That's it. So that makes your job very easy. My biggest question to you right now is, how many of you as of now do not have a sales 24/7 assistant? Type 1 if you don't have a sales 24/7 assistant. And how many of you do not have a support 24/7 assistant? Type 2. See, there is a reason why we have it for the last multiple years, because we have seen the power of it. And that's why. And imagine we have had it for the last multiple years with human team members. So imagine the number of hiring to keep it running for 24 hours, and to actually make it work, the amount of training that has gone into training all the team members to ensure that the customers, whoever is messaging, they get the right replies. There has been so much of work behind the scenes. Now this is like too easy. And honestly, I want you to have a look at this. Let me click on the overview, and then let me click on the chat. People, I want you to pay attention to this. Have a look at this. 8 messages, 6 messages, 6 messages, 6 messages, 7 messages. Have a look at whole thing. 7, 6, 6, 6, 7, 11. It's over at least 150 plus messages over here, right? Today. And we this all these agents today have replied to almost 150 plus queries. And now you look at the budget, $1.52. That's it. How easy it is. And everybody sitting over here who does not have a, let's say, sales chat agent, you don't even realize how many revenue opportunities you have been missing out on for the last so many years. People are interested inside your business, people are interested in your product services, but they don't have anybody to talk to. I will be showing you the sales chat agent also. The sales chat agent has been taught to do and talk like a real salesperson, somebody who is able to sense, somebody who is able to understand, somebody who understands when a customer says, I don't have time, when a customer says, I will think about it. They are not really thinking about it. They are trying to dodge the question. That's how the sales agent has been created. It understands the psychology of selling. Similarly, that's how the whole support agent has been created. Every single agent has been trained on our SOPs. I want you to actually go and start using it, and then once you are using it, I want you to pay attention to the thinking patterns, and how it actually shapes the answers. All of these things you will be able to work it out. Jeffrey is asking, would this work with LinkedIn? um would this work with LinkedIn? I can't answer that with confidence. But can a agent, which is a sales chat agent, can work on LinkedIn? The answer is yes. So this is how, see, this is how we need to be optimizing, and this is how we need to be working together. And we take the request from you, and based on that, we can continuously build which other agent you want. These two agents are like the pillars of a business, right? Everybody has customers, and everybody has customer inquiries. So we wanted to solve this first thing, and then gradually we'll keep on adding one after the another. And we are actually working very very hard simultaneously on the video creation agent. It is something which is taking the maximum amount of time. We wanted that to be the first agent release actually. It is taking the maximum amount of time, but it's coming out very beautifully. So that is something that we are working on parallelly. Next week, we have not made the final plan yet, but next week we are looking to roll out, let's suppose, the social media carousel agent that will help you in posting regular content, and the ad creative agent, and there is one more that we are thinking. So these are the 2 3 agent releases that we are doing simultaneously. We are working on the video agent, and yeah, this is how the whole release sequence is going to be. Right now, the important part is, how do you actually connect it with your actual tool? Right, see, I don't want you to connect it today to any actual tool. We are going to show you right now, but I don't want you to connect it to any tool today, right? Uh, Today, the only job for you is once you have the access today, the only job you will click on the vault, add the product information, and go to chat, select the agent, and do the testing. That's it, right? Just do the testing and be satisfied with the answers. Anybody who is not fully satisfied with the answers, understand it from this perspective that whether the information that I have given inside my vault, is it something which has the correct information. If it has the information, it will be coming out. If there is any other issue, you report back to us. Monday same timing we will connect again, not just Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and every week we'll be meeting four times. And plus we have the community which is fully active, right? So that is something which is already there. Now, the second part is that I want you to upload your product information. But as a company, which has been running the live chat support for multiple years, we know what are the kind of questions which keeps coming, and we don't want to rely on you to upload your own product information in a way that we understand that things where it can get missed, right? So what we are going to do is, now we are going to give you a demo of a quick cloud skill that we have created. And what it will help you to do is, it will help you to convert your business information into multiple vault files, and then you upload that. Again, it's just going to be a 5-minute thing. The way it's going to be done is, the way you will be able to convert your product information into a bunch of vault files with the help of that skill is, you can provide anything. Maybe it will ask you questions. You can answer the questions about your business, or just give your website information. It will fetch the information from there, or just create a detailed doc which has all the information, and it will be able to understand about your whole business right from there. And we have it to be to understand around 30 odd questions about your business. If you will give your website, if you will give a doc regarding your own business, it will be able to get answers to most of the questions. If there is any other question left, it will ask you, right? I hope this is easy to understand, right? Yeah, are we on the same page? Yes. I will come back to all the questions, okay? Don't worry about it. So that will be very easy for you to uh, create the vault and upload the documents in the vault in the exact structure like we want it to be, right? Vidya is asking if I have three business, so all info I have to feed in one cloud. No, you can create multiple chats. Use I mean, the skill can be used in multiple chats. So use in multiple chats. Again, I will answer all the questions. Arman, uh, can you be here and we can show the demo of using the cloud skill?
Yes, hi. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible. I will answer all the questions at the end. Okay, don't worry. Yeah, so we can show the cloud skill that you have made and how to actually use it.
Yeah, just a second. In the meantime, can you guys, anybody share their website URL or some sort of resource through which we can get the product information? So I'll be using that to create the knowledge base file.
You can create in two different chats, Arman. So for somebody you can use the document, and for somebody you can use the website.
Okay, I'm checking the URLs that you have shared to pick one from here, and then I'll share my screen. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, there is sharing option and let me know when the screen is visible.
Visible. Visible for me. Everybody, can you type quick one?
So yeah, this is the website as the reference resource file. Okay. And this is basically the prompt that we have created to help you create this product knowledge base file. Okay, you can use this either as a skill or you can simply copy and paste it into a Claude chat. Okay, so let me pull up my Claude. So here I'll simply paste this and hit enter. Now it is going to ask me to share all the different resources. Okay, whether it is a URL, doc file, PDF, whatever you can share, whatever is handy, and whatever can give uh, detailed information about your product, what it does, what are all the offers that you are running, what is the pricing. I mean, as much details uh, as these resources can give, you can add all of them one by one. But for now, to show you the demo, I'll just use this screen not is my screen visible? Atulji is saying my screen is not visible.
Atul, the screen is visible to everybody. You just need to go into the tabs of Zoom. Just like Google Chrome has tabs, similarly, Zoom has tabs. That's the only thing you need to do.
Yeah. So this in this chat, you will have to do a little bit of back and forth because this file is going to be the basis of your agent, and based on this file only, the agent is going to reply to all of your leads. Okay, so whatever questions are coming here, whatever the missing things that it is going to ask you to fill, make sure that you take the time and fill all of that information so that when this thing is live for leads to use, then the agent has all the information that it needs. Okay, so here it is asking the shape of the product, one product USD only, pay per use. Okay, I'll go ahead and say yes. So you will already know what your product is. So you will easily be able to see where it is lagging or what other things it is missing. Okay, it is going to take some
I can see the
time.
question yeah, Alman, 1 second. So I can see the question where can we find the prompt? We will share the document with you right over here in the chat. But to make it, recurring for everybody, what we are doing is the community that we have created. Inside that community, um, immediately next day after the webinar is done, we are going to upload the replay as well as all the resources file, including the prompt file or anything. So that will become one single place for you to find everything. Plus, every Monday we'll create, for example, this webinar is, interaction format and all. So we don't want people to go through all the webinars recordings. Every Monday we will also create very quick small videos, which we are going to upload inside your Flexi agent dashboard along with the files. For now, everybody attending the webinar, we will simply give you the doc, okay? So that you have the doc right over here.
Yeah, so this is going to take some time because it creates a very detailed file, but I have tested it with multiple different products. So I'll show you what kind of output it produces. Okay, so this is another chat in which I pasted that same prompt. I gave it a link which I got randomly from Google, and then yeah, it asked me some other question. I said yes. Then it gave me all the issues that it flagged. Okay, and these issues are basically the information that it was not able to find from that URL. So what I can do is I can either answer all these questions which we recommend you to do, or I can skip it as well. In that case, it is going to put all these questions as missing. Okay, and when a user is going to ask this question, it is going to redirect it to some human to answer it. Okay, so that is how it is going to work. So I have answered these few questions. So it has then logged it in. Okay, handover report. Then it went ahead and built the entire file for me. Okay, so this is the file. And if you will see, it is very, very, very detailed file, which has all the information. And this is the exact file that we need to upload inside our agent. Let's see if our file is ready. So yeah, like I said, in the next step, it is going to ask you a bunch of questions like it has done here. So all the things that it was not able to find with that URL, it is going to come back to you and ask what should it do. Okay, so I can simply ask it to skip all for now.
एक मिनट एक मिनट एक मिनट ये वो वाला एजेंट है, ये वो वाले बिजनेस फाइल्स है जो कि अभी यू टुक फ्रॉम द सेशन.
Yes. Yeah. This is
Can you
that's
can you can you show some of the questions that it has asked so that everybody gets clarity? So some of the
correct.
questions you can see, for example, crisis handling. You know, when a lead, oh, I believe it's some regarding some business. When a lead mentions suicidal thoughts, self harm, I guess your business is something related to that, right? Then what exactly should the agent say? Whose business is this? Can you please let us know? And then what exactly they should lay.
Yeah,
Okay,
this is
Anurup.
the
And
business.
what crisis? Can you see how detailed the whole thing is and how intelligently it is able to understand, you know, what kind of questions it can come from your customers. So we are actually helping you in framing, and because these kind of things will come up from your customers, you know. And Anman, can you show some other questions also? And then, see, you need to also keep an eye on your chats, see where exactly the agent is fumbling, see where exactly the agent is not giving the quality reply, see for what all questions the agent does not have a reply. And you know, then you keep uploading these files inside the vault. That's it. That's the only thing that you need to do. Again, like a human team member, if they don't know, they come and ask you, right? Over here you just need to keep an eye, and that's it. You will continuously upload your extra information. So have a look at this. You know, your customers can ask refund policy, what is the pricing, I guess based on your business information, it has asked privacy, payment checkout URL, all these things. Because if somebody is interested to buy, they need a checkout URL. As of now, we only gave the sales page URL. So the agent does not have the checkout URL. So it needs to know everything. Again, once it has all the information, the agent is good. You upload the files inside your agent, inside the vault, and the sales agent is good to go. Is this clear, everybody? Let me know. Can I see a bunch of yeses coming in? Like, is there any missing element that you are not clear about? Because I showed you a quick demo of the support chat agent. Maybe I can show you a quick demo of the sales chat agent, right? Michael is asking, can you actually edit a file in the vault, or do you delete the bad file and upload a whole new file? It's better that you delete and upload a new file before, you know, it can, instead of it can getting contaminated, or it can spread the wrong information. Can agent talk in Hindi, Punjabi? Any language, yeah, yeah. Based on, it will simply look at the query. If the query has come in Hindi, it will reply in Hindi. It will understand who the customer is. Okay. Uh,
Yeah.
w-
Another good thing that we have done in this is that we have also asked it to handle all the escalations and human handovers. Okay, whenever some lead they have any question that the agent is not able to answer, or maybe they want to connect with a human or a team member or anything else. For that, we also have put restrictions uh, in place. So for that, either you can attach a qualification form or some kind of form through which the lead can send you their details, or maybe you can give your WhatsApp number and it is going to create a WhatsApp redirect link, okay, which the agent will send to that lead. And when the lead will click on that link, they will directly get connected with you on WhatsApp. Okay, so those things also we have included in this skill file. So this is the entire detailed skill file that it has created just from the URL of the page that Arun gave. I guess it was Arun only, right? So
Anurup, yeah.
the more resources you are going to give to this agent, the better knowledge base file it is going to create, and the better replies your sales agent is going to give to your leads. So that is how it is going to work. So yeah, this file is ready. We can upload it inside the agent.
Is this Anurup's business file?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, okay. You can upload this inside the agent. In the meantime, and we will do some test conversations. In the meantime, I want to answer some questions. Next 7 to 8 minutes, let me answer some questions. I can see multiple questions piling up. And then after 8 minutes of question answering random, not just exact eight, don't put a countdown timer, okay? But once the questions are answered, then we will show you how to connect it to a tool. However, I don't want you to start connecting it to the tool straight away. I would just want you to be satisfied with the answers. Then you can do the connection with the tool on Monday, but we will show you today how to connect it with the tool. Okay. So let me look at some of the questions. How to make these document. The Claude skill is going to create a document for you. Arman, can you share the document, the Claude skill document? Can you share that?
How to
Just
make
share the
these
Claude
documents?
skill.
Yeah,
You can share the Claude skill.
yeah. I've put it in a doc file.
Uh-huh.
I can.
Okay, you upload and you can share no, the make it public and share. And this is Arman, this is for sales, right? This Vault Knowledge Builder is for sales agent.
Yes.
Can you
Yeah, yeah.
mention,
This one is just for
just
sale.
mention in the title that this is for Vault Knowledge Builder for sales agent. So yeah, just
Yeah.
mention in the title. So we are going to upload, we are going to share with you one more Vault Knowledge Builder for support agent. This one is for sales agent. Okay, we will add it inside the community itself. And this is part number one. Again, you copy paste the prompt, you put it into your cloud account, and it will ask you a bunch of questions. You give it your website information, or maybe you can create a document already, and all other questions that the Claude needs before building the doc file for you, it will ask you, and then it will simply do the job for you. I hope this is clear, right? Vikram Desai G is asking if I have different solutions and service offerings, how to implement it. um, you create multiple vault documents, and then you will be able to connect it with the same agent but in different workspaces. In our sales webinars, we told you that we will be giving you access to 5 different workspaces, right? So you use different workspaces and connect the vault to your in the exact same way. So in one workspace with SIT or with Olive, which is the sales chat agent, you simply upload the Vault document of your one business. In another workspace, you upload the information of your second business. That's how it's going to be, right? Can we upload different types of files as a knowledge base to agent like doc, PPT, PDF, video, images? No, you give the MD files. That's the recommended format. There are a few more recommended formats, but MD is the standard format. Uh, Simply use Claude. It is gonna give you the file in the MD format only. You use the Claude skill that we have given you, so it will give you in the MD format only. And even if you have created it in a doc format, use Claude and ask it to convert it into MD format. So it will do the job for you, right?
The
Rose,
Claude.
I believe your question
Hmm.
was.
The Claude skill that we have given you, that can take any format, doc, PPT, PDF, and then it is going to merge it
Yeah,
into one single MD file, which you
yeah.
can then upload to the sales agent.
Correct, correct,
That's
correct, correct.
how it is going to work.
Correct, 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 correct. Basically, the Vault will accept the MD files. Inside Claude, you can put anything. You can put these website link also, a document also, a PPT also, anything that you want. Okay. Uh, if we give the main web link, will the Claude prompt read other sublinks? Arman,
What is the question?
if we if we give the main web link, main website link,
Uh,
will the Claude prompt read other sublinks?
You will have to specify it in the chat. So here is my main website. Go through the all other links on this homepage as well. So it is going to crawl those.
Yeah.
By default, it will not go, but if you prompt it, then it will.
Yeah, yeah. And just to ensure that it does not miss, you just simply copy the links that you have, 10, 15, whatever. You just put it. That way it's going to be much better, right? Uh, Let me see. From a customer, it will reply as per the answers provided by us. Exactly. Yeah, correct. What if they ask different questions we don't have? See, if the questions are relevant to your business, then ultimately, you need to train your agent. You will upload one more vault file into your one more file into your vault that should be able to answer those questions. And then you test asking the same question again, and you are good. Then the agent from the next time onwards, it will start replying. And that is why we have put a human escalation step into the Claude file, into the Claude skill. So inside the Claude skill, we have put a step that, if at all I'm not able to answer, or if at all the customer wants to reply or talk to any human, then what should happen? And you can mention it over there that, this is how you can connect with the real person. Maybe give your call booking link, maybe give your WhatsApp number, maybe give your any information so which the person can actually connect with you. If you don't want that, then simply reply that, I don't want any human escalation. I just want the agent to reply. And if at all you don't have the answer, simply say I don't know. But you are monitoring your chat queries, and then you add the reply to that query in the vault. From the next time onwards, it should be able to reply, right? um, Okay, so we reiterate all the questions and make the data as business proof as we can. Exactly, exactly. You keep looking inside your vault information. You see, what information has missed, what question has come that the agent is not able to reply, and you simply upload that information, right? Jeffrey is asking, when you upload files to the vault, would you recommend removing files that are not accurate? Yes, you remove the files and you upload the accurate files. Okay. Um, it's compulsory to use Opera 4.7 version on Claude. Opera Opus, you are saying Opus 4.7 version. It's not compulsory, but I guess Claude Opus is available on the normal plans also. No, $20 plans also it's available, I believe. And even Sonnet will do the job. The latest Sonnet will do the job. Because it has been taught the exact instructions. What is it is going to ask. See, ultimately, you are the business owner. You need to provide the file that is supposed to be uploaded to the vault. We are just providing you a Claude skill in between that can actually help you get the job done faster. Ultimately, as a business owner, you need to give a file that you need to upload to the vault, right? That's the memory for your agent, right? You can actually get it done even without Claude also. Even that is okay. You never need Claude in between. We are just trying to make it easier for you, right? Okay, let me see if there are any other questions. Speaking of community, can my business partner join separately or only the official account owner? Please reach out to our email. And if it is coming directly from the official account owner, we will be happy to add your business partner. Okay, so that's something which we can do. Um, okay. Uh, what if what is a Claude skill and how is it different from Claude chat? Jyoti, nothing. Basically, it's a Claude prompt. We have just given you a prompt. You add the prompt. It will ask you questions. You reply. That's it. Open Claude. This is the exact copy paste prompt. You put it over there. It will ask you questions. You reply. That's it. Nothing else. Okay. Uh, Any limits to number of files? No. For Flexi funnels, as of now, we have uploaded 267 files. There are so many things that Flexi funnels actually does. So, so 267 different files. So I just try to make it as segregated as it can be. And then you are good, right? Rahim is asking, I'm not able to access Flexi Agent at the moment. It is not showing up in my app screen. Rahim, this is what I mentioned in the beginning of the webinar. We are rolling out the access today. So before the end of the day today, you will have the access inside your email. You will receive an email. Okay. Anybody who has done the full payment, you will be able to see the access email today. Okay. And we have also planned one more thing for you. I will just come back to it. Any limits to number of, okay, this is sorted. If leads come to WhatsApp, do we get an Excel file how sales agent will work? See, to connect with WhatsApp, you will need some standard tool to be used in between. For example, we use Wati, right? Because to connect with WhatsApp, they only recommend any standard business tool or a standard tool, to be used. So you use a standard tool. Again, we are using Vati for that. We will just show you how to integrate, and then you will be able to have the full interface inside your WhatsApp account, and you will be able to see all the queries inside your Vati dashboard. Okay, so that is one way to look at it. We'll just show you how to integrate. Okay. Chanakya is asking if we have three different services like real estate tax, do we need to? Yes, different workspace. Correct. Correct. No. Never upload multiple business information inside one vault of one agent. It will get confused, right? Um, Atia Flexi agent they were to able to have a one-on-one session. No. Atia. So what we are going to be doing is we are going to be doing the implementation sessions in the meeting style format. At the end of the day, we will ensure that the agent is working exactly the way you want it inside your business. That's how it is, right? So tomorrow we are going to upload all the recordings, the recording of today's session, and along with all the resources file, you will be able to see it right over there. On Monday, we are going to record even more precise videos, which will put directly inside your Flexi agent account. And Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, 3 days, we are going to be hosting three implementation style workshops, which are going to be in a meeting style. You simply come to us asking the exact questions where you are getting stuck. All right. And any other further help is needed beyond that, we are more than happy for that. Okay. So all the live interaction we are going to be doing right over there. Um, can we get customer info in sheet Excel who want human interaction by any connection? We actually thought about it last night, and this is not something which is there at the moment. So I want, as of now, you put the information inside your vault file that if somebody wants to connect with a human, where can they connect? And maybe you give a WhatsApp number, maybe you give a call booking link, maybe you give a Google form, how exactly they can reach out to you, right? So as of now, you put this information, but see, today is day number one. In fact, today, as of now, this is our number one of this brand new product, right? So it will continuously keep on evolving. This we actually thought last night also that for those of you who do not have any, let's say, Vati kind of tool at this particular moment or anything, again, see, we have been using it for the last 5 years. I always recommend using the best tools for your business. It always gives you the highest ROI inside your business with all the configuration, right? For example, we use Zoom for webinars and stuff. I never go on to use any second best option or anything. That's not how I have operated from day number one inside my business. uh, inside those tools, all these things will always be there. But just in case some of you do not have any, real tool which you are actually working on with respect to, let's say, live chat, I highly recommend that you use a good tool. For support, we are using Fresh Chat. For WhatsApp, for sales, we are using WhatsApp by Avanti. But we are also working right now on a live chat bot um, tool that we can give to you. So in case you don't have any other tool, we will provide a tool to you. and you will be able to use it, and you will be able to install it inside your business. So that will do the job for you. And just a moment, okay, just give. Okay, everyone. So I just have an update, and we have already shared the access with you. The email has already been sent to you. You can check in your account, right? And the update has already been sent to you. So you can please go and check. And what can be done is, uh, I was just talking to Karthik. If all of us are right now in the office, so he's giving me a brand new Flexi Agent account, and I can show you how the brand new Flexi Agent account can be configured. Again, you will just go inside Flexi Funnels, go to apps, and you will be able to start using it. Okay, and both the agents that we have released today, they are right inside your account. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you how to use a brand new account, and the access is already shared inside your email. Okay, so you can find it and log in at the same time. So coming back to our last night interaction, this is what we were also thinking, that if somebody wants, let's suppose, to collect leads via your chat agent, name, phone number, or name, email ID, whatever, we will also work on something, let's say kind of a CRM, not CRM, but maybe kind of a reporting dashboard, wherein we can show all those inquiries to you inside your Flexi Agent dashboard itself. Again, this is why I was saying this is just day number one of the project, and there are so many ways it can go and so many directions it can go. So this is something that we will do for you, and any person who will be sharing the information, and if you want from that chat, it will come inside directly inside your reporting dashboard. As of now, your job is that you simply tell your agent how exactly a person, if they want to connect with you, how exactly they should be able to connect with you. If you want them to connect with you, if you don't want, then simply say they cannot connect with me, right? So this is totally up to you. Uh, okay, let me see if there is any quick question, and then let me show you how to actually connect the account. You have sent email? Okay. So let me just show you how exactly you are going to be using your brand new Flexi Agent account. And I will share my screen. See, you would have received a email with your username and password. Okay. So you just simply use that to log into your Flexi Funnels account. All the details are there, the URL, the username, as well as the password. Okay. If you don't have a Flexi Funnels account, you will be able to just log in. If you already have a Flexi Funnels account, it will be visible inside your app section. Okay. At the top. Now, over here, you will be able to see a workspace. As of now, you have one workspace. Okay. In this coming week, we'll be rolling out the other workspaces. As of now, you have one workspace. Inside the workspace, you click on launch. All right. The workspace is going to be rolled out for you. It will do some configuration. And once it is done, if you want a black interface, use it. Otherwise, click on this to come to the white interface, right? We have added the credits for you already. So $100 credit is already added for you. And again, you do the same step. You click on the vault. Inside the vault, you click on the plus button. You click on the agent. You can see there is a SID support agent. There is a Olive sales agent. You simply select the agent, upload the files, and then start chatting with your agent. That's it. Clear, everyone? I guess very simple. You will click on the vault, upload, and then you start testing and start chatting with your agent. If there is anything that you are not happy with, you report to us on Monday, and we will talk to you directly. In a live meeting style format, right? Um, Harshvardhan is asking what about workspaces, how it is will work, how will see. Instead of giving you a theoretical answer, once the workspace is released into your account, we'll simply make a video for it and we will upload that inside the community as well as the Flexi agent dashboard and we will redirect you to it. So we will email you and we will update that inside the community. As of now, this community has been created already, right? Anybody who has not yet joined, make sure that you have joined the community. We have emailed you already. In case you have missed it, just email to me, sp@flexifinance.com. Let me put it in the chat box as well. We will ensure that you are added to the community. Everybody who has done the full payment, right, as of now. And uh, 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 inside the community, you will be able to see the courses tab. Inside the course tab, we will upload the replay. So for example, today we are doing this training, we will upload the replay right over here, right? Similarly, every new training that we continuously roll out, we'll add it right over here. As of now, this is where you will find the training, but within the coming week, within the Flexi agent interface right over here, we are going to put a tab of all the trainings. So then everything will be in one single place. Okay. So yeah, I believe can you make it so we get notified when there are new posts in the community, at least from the admins for sure? We are working on that. So this month that feature will be rolled out, and everybody who is a member of community, every time an admin will be posting, you will receive a notification. So that feature we are actually working on right now. By the way, did you like the community? How many of you liked the community? That is also a big feature we have not yet rolled out for Flexi Funnels, but it's going to be rolled out inside your Flexi Funnels account, right? Vivek, Vivek, you can message what exactly is your details which you using which you are not able to log in. You can update right over here. Arman, एक बार देख लेना विवेक का, he is not able to log in. Ask Yogesh to check it for him. Okay, Vivek, share your access details. Let me see. Right, Naveen is asking if website is not ready. Let me take 2 or 3 more questions and then we will show you how to integrate. Okay, uh, Naveen, what do you mean if website is not ready? What do you mean by that? Can we use the access link both for laptop and mobile simultaneously? Yeah, yeah. I mean, it's a cloud link. You can open it on laptop, you can open it on mobile, but laptop has a better interface ultimately. Unable to locate Flexi agent in apps. Mangal, 1 second. Uh, so you got the email, right, Mangal? Okay. Arman, एक बार कार्तिक से बात करना. The existing FlexiFunnels customers inside apps, they are not able to see the Flexi agent interface.
Click on that 3 lines that will be there inside your FlexiFunnels account, and there is Manage Workspace option.
Uh, but how do you log in there?
Using their same FlexiFunnels email ID and password.
Second. Can you show?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can show quickly. Okay. Vikram Desai Singh ji is asking, Desai ji is asking the username and password not received. Oh, Chinmay. Chinmay, can you again any such query that you have? People everywhere, any of you who has any query with respect to login, if you're not able to log in or anything, just email me at flexibang.com. Okay, or we can show you how to integrate, and then we can stay back over here and we can sort you out right over here in this live webinar. But as of now, since everybody is here, so let us continue with the webinar flow. Let us show you how to integrate, and then we can keep on sorting it out live for you right over here. But first we would like to free everybody, right? Okay. uh Padma, uh
So
hmm,
yeah, in here, if I will go to my app section, I won't be seeing the Flexi agent button, but I have to click on these three lines. And here I will be able to see this manage workspaces option that is there. Okay,
तेरा
manage
तेरा
workspace. I
स्क्रीन
need
शायद
to
सबको
click
नहीं
on
दिख
this.
रहा होगा. People, are you able to see Arman's screen? Everyone, how many of you are not able to see it? Type 0. क्योंकि मेरा वाला भी शेयर था ना. ठीक है. Can you show from the scratch?
Yeah. So Flexi agent is not currently visible here in this app section. We'll get it added in some time, but for now, what you can do is click on these three lines, and in here there is this option manage workspaces. Okay, most of you will be able to see this option. So for this to work also, your FlexiFunnels email ID plus the email ID through which you have made the payment for Flexi agent, both of them should be same. Okay, if they were same, then it will work. If not, then you can share your email and we'll give you the access, or maybe we can add it to your FlexiFunnels account only. Okay, but yeah, here if you will click manage workspace, here you will be able to see your FlexiFunnels workspace, Flexi Agents workspace, and by clicking the launch button, then you can log in into the dashboard.
Okay, cool. So I guess I can see from the messages everybody is sorted. Anybody who is still stuck with respect to the access?
Yeah, well,
Okay. Padma is saying she did not receive the email. Uh, Padma, can you share your email ID? And Alman, can you check in the database if Padma's email ID is missed? So can you quickly drop your email ID over here? Um, Anybody for whom it is not working, only you can comment, okay? There are no agents in the workspace. Atia, so let me show you again what is supposed to be done, okay? Let's pay attention. I'm sharing my screen, and this account is a brand new Flexi agent account. All right. So this is not a admin account or anything. This is a brand new Flexi agent account. Right. What you simply need to do is everyone, right? You don't have the agents tab at the moment. Don't bother about it. Don't worry about it. Again, it's getting added, but your agents are there. They are working. You can start using it immediately. What you simply need to do is go to the vault. Inside the vault, click on the plus button, click on the agent, right? Select which agent you want to upload the information into, support or sales, maybe support. If I have the support files, right? I will upload all the product information files over here, right? And once the files are uploaded, I will click on upload. My agent is trained. You are just not able to see the agent at the moment, but what agent is supposed to do, it is already doing, right? And within this coming week, you will be able to see all your agents also. So simply upload the file. And once the file is uploaded, you go to the chat button, right? You go to the chat button and select the agent, right? Which agent you just uploaded your files into. Maybe said hyphen support, right? And you simply start chatting the way I did it. That's it. This is the only what you need to do. Yeah, we will do that.
where I have
So is
shared the product knowledge base file that we created now right now
okay.
in chat. You can download it and upload it in Vault and show them.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
And we can maybe chat also.
Okay, okay, sure. Let me just check. Okay, so I have received the file, which is this file. One second, let me go back to my account. So I've received a file which is for this particular business for which Arman created the file some time back,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So yeah, I'm gonna create the sales agent right now with that file. I guess it was Anurup's business. So for Anurup's business, I'm gonna create the sales agent right now. Okay.
Its screen is not.
Yeah, yeah. I'm just still logging into my account. Okay. My screen should be visible, right? So I will log into the account. Okay. So this is the I'm gonna upload the sales file for Anurup's business right now into the sales agent. Okay. Arman, this is the latest sales agent that you created, Olive
Yes,
launch test, which is open, which does not have any vault.
yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. So this was Stop Knowledge. Again, the business that we picked right over here in from the live webinar room. We simply upload the file. All right, it will do the enrichment. You can see it is done. Since it was just one file, it's done with the enrichment, right? And we uploaded the file to this new sales chat agent, Olive Launch Test. Then we click on Olive Launch Test and we can start chatting with it, right? So how can you help me, for example? We recommend MD format. Put the files in the MD format. Okay. So what should I call you? Are you reaching out to somewhere with a particular time zone in mind? And are you reaching out to somewhere with a particular time zone? I am SP. I am dear. Support agent cloud skill file is available? Not yet. So we have given you the cloud skill file for the sales. We are gonna upload the support chat agent cloud skill file tonight. That's something which is on the to-do list for today. And you will have it inside the community. So yeah, this is a quick good thing. Everybody, we have given you the cloud skill for the sales chat agent. The cloud skill for support chat agent we need to work on. We'll be sharing it today. Okay, it will be added to the community. All right. So Anurup, by the way, congratulations. Your first sales chat agent is live. It's firing. It's working. It's talking to people. Right. So what got you here tonight? Is there something on your mind or something you're looking to talk through? Anup, what should I tell? What should I say over here? You only guide me. Should I say I'm going through stress? I saw that on your
Stress
website.
and
It's
depression.
okay. So it's an AI companion for lonely people. Okay, I'm going through stress because of staying with Yogesh.
You can explain the psychology behind how this whole agent works. So, since this is a sales agent, how it is behaving, it is basically probing and getting to the bottom of the pain.
Right, right, right. Yeah, this is important. See, you can see the thinking behind, how the agent has been trained to do the job,
Can you
right?
increase your size a little bit because
It's not
text is
visible.
very small? Yeah,
Is it better?
yeah, now it is fine.
Okay, fine. So see, this was the first question. How can you help me? The user is asking how I can help them. This is the first interaction. And by the way, yeah, the very first interaction, it will involve some kind of backend configuration. Your second interaction is always going to be better. Okay. Anyways, so then, we have given it the instruction to go to the vault because that's where the product information is. And then it will search about your product. It will research, and then it will do the thinking that which seems to be on our base, and then it is going to read the file and stuff, and then it will reply that okay, I have got context of my friend is an AI companion for people who need someone to talk to. The offer is $5 for first 10 minutes, but wait, there is a first and whatever. I should not launch into a sales pitch here. I'll start with a short warm greeting, my name, friendly hello, get to know them naturally, don't interrogate, do not list capabilities. The user asked, how can you help me? I should give a brief, warm answer. I am Olive, sales assistant. And I help people figure out is right for them. And then I give the product information. Then it says, stuff. Let me do one more conversation. Okay, let's start. Anurup, can you give me a question? What question should I ask? Uh, no, Atya, not at all frustrating. We are here to help you out, and this is the very first release. Next time onwards, we are going to be, do the release webinars, and we are going to be creating the short videos also. So every Monday, so that's how the theme is going to be. Every Friday or Saturday, we will do a new agent launch webinar. And then every Monday, we create short videos specifically, not a big full time webinar recording, but short videos specifically. And we upload that inside the dashboard. That will make it way too easy for you, right?
You can ask this. I have added on.
Okay. Anurup has given me a question. I will ask that.
My question also, I want to see what it will reply.
Sure. And Anurup, let's also look at it from the point of view of that this vault information is something that you have not uploaded. We have simply uploaded without even answering all the half of the questions. So again, this is the only thing that you need to do. Come over here, look at the questions and the answers, and if you're not satisfied with it, see, when we created this MD file for you, we skipped 50% of the questions. That's something that you don't need to do. And then look at the question answers, and then you keep on updating, right? Okay, let's have a look at this. Hi SB, I'm sorry that you're going to go through that. Stress at work and daily weigh you down. A quick question, and I ask because it helps me understand what would actually help you. When you say work is stressful right now, what is the part that hits you hardest? Is it the volume of stuff piling up, the feeling of never switching off, or something specific you are dealing with? Knowing that helps me figure out whether a place or to just talk it through would be useful for you right now. People, this is good, right? A quick question. It's actually trying to understand the customer, right? There is no good salesperson that does not understand the actual emotions of the customer, right? That is something most importantly. One second. No. Tarun, you are not able to understand the difference, right? Uh, Tarun is asking, ChatGPT will also answer our questions. Why will somebody pay and use this chat support? Oh, you are talking about Anurup's business. I mean, they are good at what they do, right? If you are asking about why Flexi agent, I believe that's not your question, right? Type no if that's not your question, or if that is the question. Yeah, Flexi agent will you will plug it into your WhatsApp and it will keep answering 24/7, right? It's not a chatbot. You are training the chatbot, but then you will put it inside your WhatsApp, right? Asking for Ani's business. Okay. Anurup says it's a video agent. So basically, it's a video thing that will come out. Okay. When you say work is stressful right now, what's the part that hits you harder? Is it the volume of stuff piling up? Uh, yes, volume of stuff. And I'm not getting promotion. So basically, I mean, I don't want to continue interaction over here. but you get the logic, right? So this is how you train the agent. You chat with it. You simply get it to understand about your business, your queries, and then you simply go ahead. What is it that costing you outside of work? Like you're bringing it home, losing sleep over it, feeling like you're just running on empty. Jeffrey is asking, will this work in Telegram? It will work in Telegram. It will work in Messenger. Signal, I'm not sure. I've not heard of Signal, by the way, so I'm not sure what exactly it is. But yeah, any standard tool, it will work. Okay, any standard tool, it will work. And again, see, you do the chats and talk to it. And Monday, you tell us what is the part that, let's suppose that according to your business needs improvement. Otherwise, we'll just keep going over here. Yeah, right. So you tell us what is the part that needs improvement according to you, right? uh, Jeffrey, I answered your question. By the way, I'm happy to answer Jeffrey's question because the very first webinar that we did, there were like 1100 plus people, and I was not able to answer any of his question. He actually emailed me after the webinar. Why are you ignoring my question? I said, sir, there are so many people in the webinar. How can I look at all the questions? So by coincidence, it got missed. But yeah, happy to have you over here. Signal is similar to Telegram. Okay, cool. Yeah, I mean, it's a good tool. Then we are sorted. Okay. Chetanji is asking, will we be able to connect with Galabox WhatsApp account as it's not an API hub? Alman, you can answer this question. Answer is yes, but today or tomorrow. That is the whole part.
Yeah, we'll check it once. And if it supports inbound webhooks, then it is sorted.
Yeah. So, Chetanji, so good that you are exploring. Even if it's not there in API Hub, see, it's just a matter of a few little work for us, small work for us. We can simply add it to the API Hub and it will be added. The main question over here is the tool that you are asking, Galabox. Does it have the API? Does it have the webhook functionality? Because the webhook will, receive the question at your end, pass it to Flexi agent, and from Flexi agent, it is going to get passed back to this thing. I know we have used it on Instagram, we have used it on WhatsApp, and I have used it on Messenger. So I'm sure about all these three. And on the WhatsApp, I have used it via Vati. I'm not sure about Galabox, but any standard tool will have the webhook functionality, right? Webhook is common. You are already aware of it, right? Okay, Arun is asking if we don't find the answer optimized, we have to replace the entire bunch of files again or specific query related files that needs to be replaced. Arun, first thing, and then you asked using Cloud Skill. It does not matter whether you are doing it with Cloud Skill or without Cloud Skill. That hardly matters, right? What you are uploading to Vault, you just pay attention to it, whether it is coming out of Claude or not coming out of Claude, right? You should be satisfied with the answer that is getting uploaded to Claude. If the answer has got uploaded to Claude, then you are good. Okay. And you are satisfied with the answer, then it will respond back in the same way. Okay. That's one thing. Second thing is, uh, do we by replace the bunch of files again? It's better that you replace the files. It's much better, right? Mangal is asking, how is your agent different in Claude project, which exactly does the same job? Mangal, day and night difference. Claude project is not running 24/7, is not working 24/7, is not available on high-end servers, is not gonna be doing and posting on your social media accounts, is not gonna be rendering the videos for you, is not trained on the SOPs of a real business, and most importantly, it's not working 24/7. That's the most important part, right? You are not connecting it with a tool. You need to have some server to actually upload it to, and then it does not even matter what is the number of queries that you need to be answering, whether you are answering 10 queries or 10,000 queries. Whatever it is, you are not paying any amount extra for that. That is the kind of privilege that only the founding members have received, which all of you have received. With any tool, if you have used Vati, Zapier, any standard tool you have used, there is always a limit to the number of credits. Basically, there is always a limit to the number of times you can use a tool, how many actions a tool can do in a month. As a member of the founding member, we have given you unlimited actions throughout lifetime, right? And there are no limit to the actions. So that also you have received. So it does not matter whether your business is answering 10,000 queries in a day whatever server load is coming on our pocket, you are all good with that because you are a founding member. There are a bunch of things plus the number of optimizations that you have, what you were seeing throughout. you know for example, you were seeing something called enrichment. When I was uploading the document, you could see something like enrichment, right? So enrichment is basically, um, we have put the rag functionality, and the rag functionality is that whenever somebody asks about your business, the the entire business information should not be loaded, because it is going to cost you money. See, AI always works on the principle of how much information it has to read before answering your question. So if you do it in a Claude and it's a big Claude window, imagine the amount of cost that is piling up over there, right? Ask Claude that, if I answer, uh, let me do it right now. If I answer 50 conversations using Claude API in a day in which it has to read my full business information to the conversation, and I have connected Claude to an AI agent, how much it will cost me for a day. Right. So 50 complex daily conversations, and then how much you are, using it, and then all the business information and all. We actually, used it, and uh, uh, today, just today itself, we have done almost 300 plus conversations, and I don't know why it's showing zero point 0.5. I can tell you this number is easily above $20 in a day. We have already done that, and so we have put in the rag information, and yeah, it's actually looking at it from a very optimized agent. So we have already done all this optimization in the backend, so you never have to do all of that. So that's where we come in as a software company, and you simply put your business information and you are good, right? Vivek is asking, who don't have business, if they want to start funnel building service by Flexi Funnels, what that particular agent, when will we going to release? Vivek, you are missing out on one big pointer. We have already released, um, uh, see, I'm sharing my screen, right? We have already released the sales chat agent and the support chat agent. You can even start offering this as a service, by the way. Not sure if you have seen it, but how much you can charge for setting up a support chat agent. You can actually go and Google, and you will see the answers are going to be in the range of, you can see the setup fee and then the monthly retainer fee. So this is what it is. It can actually earn you, and this $800 is actually not even a standard price. The standard price is in the range of $3,000, and then the monthly retainer is in the range of $300 to $500. This is what you can start charging with the first two agents that we have already released for your business. So if you don't have a business, you can actually offer these services using these agents. And this is just a starting point. FlexiFunnels Access is also going to be added to your account. If not, if it is not added already, otherwise it is going to be added. And you can offer funnel building, but now you can go far beyond that. Not just funnel building, sales chat agent, support chat agent, going forward a voice calling agent, then LinkedIn automation agent, social media content agent. There's so many agents that you will be able to use and upload, offer as a service for your client, right? Manvendra is asking, so we can test or work on these agent. This is today class agent, or we can lie these agent on websites and somewhere, sir. Yeah, Manvin, you will be able to make them live. Alman, can we show the integration?
Yeah, just a
Okay.
second.
And maybe with like you can decide. See, as of now, the homework for everybody is that everybody should be able to connect their vault, chat. We can do it one step at a time. Connect with the vault, chat, and optimize the answers. Let us know once you are sorted with your answers,
Mm.
and yeah, yeah, and if there is any issue, we can help you with that. And then next step is we can show you how to integrate. So
Yeah, after they have
that's how
done these two steps, they can maybe post it inside the community. And what we can also do is we can maybe create a video on how to do the WhatsApp integration for these people and post it there for everyone who is ready.
we can do that. I guess it's going to be easier. We can create a quick video for you. Again, it's going to be a very simple 10-step problem. Sorry, 10-minute video. Uh, yes, Mangal, correct. Can we add these agents to our website? Absolutely. That's the whole point. You will be able to add the agent to your website.
That we
For
can show
example,
maybe the flow, we can show how it is going to work because we
hmm,
already have one live agent working on our own website.
you can show that. One second. You can share your screen. You can show that.
Yeah, let
Dr.
me
Ejaz
share
is
my
asking, we have to do it with laptop or desktop?
WhatsApp.
See, the setup you do it on your laptop. Now your customers can chat anywhere they want because ultimately, if you are setting it up on WhatsApp, people mostly are using WhatsApp on mobile. See, customers would be coming to your website, or you decide how exactly do you want the chat agent to be configured. Do you want it on top of your website? Do you want it as a link that you want to hand over to your customers? It can be any way you want it to be, right? And they can interact on mobile for sure. Rohit, I hope you got the answer, right? uh, Padma is asking in agent as a service, if the client has to install the agent in their cloud platform, how to do that? See, they don't have to pay the costing of the cloud or the platform or anything. If that is the case, maybe you can offer them a workspace, or maybe you can add them as a sub user, and they can just have a look at their agent inside one of the workspaces. That's what you can do. But the good thing is, a better sales value proposition is that you don't have to worry about any uploading or anything. These agents, they keep working in your account. That's it. Arun, we can talk about it, and we will come up with the option of adding more sub users. Right, that's something that we can work on as a quick, small, cheap add-on, affordable add-on. That's something that we can add. As of now, let's start using it. Then you can use all the sub users that you have, and then we can come up with more use cases. Right? How can I use sales and support agent for my local Ayurveda clinic? Saurabh, perfect question. Your customers who keep coming back to you, you can create two agents, one for support, one for sales. Set up both on WhatsApp. Okay. We are showing you how to set up both on WhatsApp. Any customer who is asking any question, now you go back to your laptop and your computer or your diary. Write down every single question that your customer is continuously asking, right? Which you or if somebody from your team has to obviously answer multiple times. Now you simply give them a WhatsApp link, everybody. And you can even put a WhatsApp link on top of your website. And in your case, you don't have a membership area. But if you had a membership area like a course or something, you could have put that inside your membership area also. In your case, that does not apply. So simply give a WhatsApp number and they will be able to talk to you right over there. Along with that, you have a Ayurveda clinic. Now think about it. As an Ayurveda clinic owner, you would be having a Google Map listing. On a Google Map listing, you need to be putting your contact number. That's how people mostly discover you, right? On that Google Map listing, you put the sales chat agent and then let the sales chat agent answer all of your questions. Number one. Number two, any content that you record from this point onwards, simply give the WhatsApp number, talk to us right over here. right? And they will get their questions answered and stuff, and then they can, it will directly convert them into as a customer for your business. Number two. Number three is anytime you're advertising, you can simply put the link of your WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp number. This is our WhatsApp number. You can reach out to us right over there. If somebody is reaching out to you on WhatsApp, that's a good thing, right? That's a live business inquiry. Now the whole question is, and the whole point is, do you or should you be sitting over there, or somebody should be sitting over there to answer all those questions? Or you can set up an agent to answer all those questions. That's the whole point, right? And the agent which is trained to convert even better than you to convert them into customers. And it can do 24/7. Any customer who is reaching out at any given point of time, it is going to convert them. Can you share Vault file creation skill of Claude for support? We will share that. We will upload that into the community today. That is something that we have not yet uploaded. We are going to upload that into the community today, right? Backend AI tool used for these agents. Again, that's our business insider information. We are not going to answer that, but you can use the agents for your business or your client business. Okay. Uh, okay, let me see one more question. Jyoti is asking, in businesses like e-commerce, where we deal multiple physical products, okay, I hope one workspace is sufficient for entire e-commerce business and number of products has no impact on workspaces for e-commerce business. Yeah, correct. No impact. You can simply say, and you can simply tell that, I mean, every product is solving a different problem, right? Every product is helping a different style of customer, different type of customer, right? So based on what kind of product is supposed to be recommended for what kind of query, you just simply upload that information inside the vault and let the agent take care of all of your customer queries from this point onwards, right? Okay. Would you have a best practice to update content on the associated website and then scan the website again? This way the content will be completely in sync with the funnel and the website. Would a best practice be to update content on the associated website? It's not needed. Claude will ask you the questions, and you can answer the question inside the chat itself. It's not needed. I mean, it will make a lot of extra hard work for the customers. First they update their website, then it's gonna rescan. Simply just reply to the questions inside Claude. Like, Arman, you can show the integration part, then I can take care of some other questions.
Yeah.
So Sunita and everybody else, I will answer your question. Okay.
Okay. So this is our main sales page for Flexi Agent. I'm sure most of you would have already seen this page. And on this page, we have this chat with us button. And this is being handled by a sales agent that we created around, I don't know, 3 weeks back or 4 weeks back. And since then, it has handled hundreds of chats. Okay, so if I'll click on this button, start chat, it is then going to take me to the screen. Okay, if I'm on my phone, then WhatsApp is going to open directly. Okay, but here, since I'm on my laptop, so this kind of uh, message is going to come. Let me try again. Okay, so the chat has now opened with a pre-filled message which says, "Hello, I have a question about Flexi Agent. No, do not edit this so that the user doesn't edit it." And as soon as I will click on send, okay, let's see. Just a second. Okay, so We were doing a bunch of testing, so I think something has changed in our settings. Let me check. Give me a few seconds. Hmm.
You can check. Um, can we increase the speed like quick replies? It depends on the agent. Um, quick replies, it's gonna reply in around 3 to 4 seconds per query, and what it has to do is it has to look into the information area and figure out what exactly is the question, how exactly the previous question came, and then it has to reply. So it takes care of all of that and then replies. The reply has to be right more than being very quick. And 3 to 4 seconds is like a decent amount of time. I don't think it's uh long at all. Uh, okay, Anand is asking, can the AI agent store the new question that our leads may ask so that going further we can train out agent better? That's a good ask. I mean, see, these are all the requirements that we need from you ultimately, right? That's the whole point. See, the way we have been doing it is we have been, using these agents inside Fresh Chat or Vati, and we have been monitoring these questions and all the queries, and on a day-to-day basis, and that's how we have been updating our knowledge base. I will show you the knowledge base that we have created. One second, you will be happy and surprised to see it. One moment.
Okay,
Okay,
it is working now.
अरमान मेरे को एक
Are
मिनट
you
दे,
sharing your
मैं दिखा देता हूँ. People see, to bring it to a level in which it's optimized to Flexi funnels chat and handling 5,000 plus queries a week. I want you to see this, that how many question and answers in a direct format. Can you see this? Question one, answer one, question three, and we have three such documents. Let me scroll down. There are 900 plus questions. We are on day number one, R number one, step number one. Right? You see, if you want your business to be running fully hands free, this is what you need to be doing. Pay attention to the chats, look at where the answers are not perfect, update the answers, and then every single answer is going to be perfect. It's as simple as that, right? And this is what we keep doing, and that's why we are able to handle 5,000 plus queries a week. And it's not like we had 5,000 queries a week from day number one. We had 200 queries a week on day one. We had maybe 50 queries a week on day number one. See, a business becomes bigger when it's doing the right things, right? I don't know how many queries you are answering as of this particular moment, but what I can tell you is, if your support is fully 24/7 automated, if your sales is like fully 24/7 automated like this, it will give you more sales. More sales means more customers. More customer means better support you need to provide. Then you will post more content. More content will bring in more leads. More leads getting answers accurately, converting into more customers. This is what is going to give you that full hands-free approach. But to come to that full hands-free approach, you have to be hands-on with respect to training your agent. Or the other choice is you keep doing all the work by yourself. Exactly, Padma, you have got it exactly right. So the important work is to create vault much refined. And I want to share with you, can you see at the top, there are two more files. It knows there are two more files. There is one this file, there is one this file. Those two files have not been, you can see, right? There are two more files. So we have created three such files. But again, Flexi Funnels has like 200 plus features. So that's why the vault file is big. But again, this is the whole part, right? You look at the questions, improve your vault, and it will keep doing the job, right? Uh, how to access the customer chats with the agents? You will be able to see them in the backend. Arman, you can show that. How to all the chats that your agent is doing, you will be able to see that in the backend. Okay. एक बार अरमान, एक बार ना आफ्टर दिस वेबिनार हैज एंडेड, जो भी क्वेश्चन वगैरह आए हैं ना इस तरीके के, वो एक बार कॉपी कर लेंगे अपन. एक बार तू भी अभी इससे देख ले, कॉपी वगैरह कर ले. इन सारे क्वेश्चंस, जैसे ये अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, हाउ टू एक्सेस द कस्टमर चैट विद द एजेंट, इन सारे क्वेश्चंस के वी विल रिकॉर्ड ट्यूटोरियल वीडियोस. these kind of questions.
Yeah, so I showed you when I'll click on this button, I will be taken to my WhatsApp chat, and as soon as I send this message, the chat is going to get assigned to the agent that I've built. Okay, and that agent is then going to take over on this chat and reply to whatever messages you are sending. Okay, so I've sent, I need help. What is going on? I'm a content creator. Nice content creator get a lot of value from Flexi agent. Which platform are you using? Let's say I type YouTube for 3 years now. Okay, so from here the chat is going to Vati. Vati is then sending it back to Flexi agent. From Flexi agent, it is looking at my past history, what are all the chats that I've done, and based on the uh, prompts and everything that we have given, it is then coming up with the reply, then sending it back to Vati. From Vati, then it is coming to me. So that is the whole process that is taking place in the backend. Okay, so 3 years is solid. What's your channel about? What's your biggest struggle? Too much time spent on creation. Okay, so this way all the chats are going to be handled, and it is going to do the probing, and it is going to understand what the uh, user needs, and then it is going to pitch your product and share with them your either the payment link or get you connected, take their information or get a form filled or a call booked, whatever CTA you are trying to give them, it is going to do that. And let me also take you to the backend and show you how things are happening there. So firstly, let's have a look at Vati. So this is the Vati chat. As you can see, the ticket was assigned to Flexi agent, and then it started answering all the queries that it was getting. But these queries are being answered from Flexi agent. So now let's go to Flexi agent and see what is happening there. Okay, so we will give you this tab which is called the sessions tab, and in this sessions tab you can basically see all of your different agents that are there in your account and all the different conversations that are happening in a particular agent. Okay, so right now this agent is being used for these chats, Iris, Flexi agent chatbot, and this is my number. Okay, through using which I was chatting. So if I open this, I will be able to see the entire history. Okay. So what I did was I deleted the chat from my WhatsApp because this is my test number and I have done a lot of testing in past 3 4 weeks. So I deleted the chat from here. So I won't be able to see my past messages, but Flexi agent has stored all the past conversations, if you will see. Okay, these are all old conversations that I have done using this number. If I'll go at the end, then I will be seeing the latest. Okay, YouTube for 3 years now. What all thinking it has done and what reply it has given. It is too expensive. What all thinking it has done. What reply it has given. So this is how the entire thing is working, and this way you can connect with WhatsApp, Telegram, or any other tool, Freshdesk, whatever the tool is. You can connect it via webhook, and Flexi Agent is going to behave as the brain, which is ingesting the queries that are coming and crafting the replies and sending it back to the platform. So this is the whole system behind the scenes, how it is working.
Everyone, what do you think about this, by the way? Having the whole history and whole conversation, an agent that remembers your customers, and that too for a long period of time. And then you can see over a period of time, we will also release an agent, which is the follow-up agent. There are so many people who reach out and they never convert. Everybody who has done business over here, you know that, right? They never convert. Most of them, 98% customers or 99% prospects, they never convert. So having an agent which remembers the queries and also does the follow up, right? So all these things are, again, this is just our number one. There's so many ideas. uh we are going to put all of our business brain into this and give all these agents all these things we have been doing manually inside the business. Now you have it right on the platter, and it's going to be, if you are going to be patient enough, step by step implement, automate every single part of your business week by week, you are going to be massively ahead, right? Thanks, Jeffrey. uh Awesome. So has it got trained from the old customers with the customers are making it respond better? It depends. Which agent do we want to improve? Which agent are we going to improve ourselves? For these agents, for this agent, we have not put evolving. I showed in the sales webinars also. So there is a thing called evolving. Do we want agent to learn by itself, or are we going to teach the agent? For sales and support chat agent, we prefer to teach it. So we look at the queries, we see where the answers are not right, and then we put the answers inside the vault. That's how we prefer it. I mean, I don't want it to learn something bad. Will lead gen be part of the platform? Over the period of time, yes. Absolutely, yes. Absolutely, yes. Once all the foundations are done, then definitely, the it can be, let's suppose, crawl on the internet in this niche, in this area, and find out the contact details, maybe create proposal, send it to them. As long as your tools are connected, it can do all these things also. It's all easy. But this is not magic, which I'm just saying. It's all easy. We know. Even Arman just quickly nodded. We know it's all very easy.
Yeah,
Again, the main part is not. Let me tell you, the main part is not giving you the agent. The main part is giving you the agent, which is actually good. And for that, it requires tons of testing. We have been testing extensively, number of chats, number of businesses, because having an agent which is too good, but only for flexi funnels, that's not what we want to give you, right? So we have been testing with a coffee business, with a roofing company, with a solar company, with some other different types of companies. Being satisfied, then we roll it out for you. Okay.
yeah,
So we create a,
mm,
yeah,
yeah, and we haven't even discussed the uh, agent teams part yet.
yeah,
So this is just one part that the agent is handling. We can have multiple different agents that are doing some specific thing, and all of those agents get connected together in a way. Okay, so one of the ideas that we were discussing was with this lead agent thing. I remembered. So we were thinking that we can create an agent that crawls Upwork or maybe Fiverr if they have an exposed API or webhook. And through there, any new listings that are coming on Upwork, it can analyze it, it can create a proposal for it, and it can then send the proposal through. And this way, basically, you can get jobs from Upwork. Okay, and you after that, if you have received the job, you can even create other agents which can then deliver the project. So you won't even have to do the things yourself. So that kind of flow also you can build.
right, right. See, again, it's going to start with the foundation, right? All these are extra steps. We are going to make the foundation right first, and then we can go into all the outreach kind of things. Uh, I have never done outreach in a way, in a B2B format in my life. Neither anybody in our team. So that's why, that's not. We are going to be very confident about releasing from day number one. What we have very much confidence on is ads, content, leads, converting leads into sales. So where we are actually already good at, first of all, we are going to be releasing those agents, and then we all these ideas will come into the picture, right? Will Flexi agent be able to make my morning coffee? Uh, I can see it is, the robots are coming in, and Flexi agent can actually understand, which brew you like and which all the configurations you like. So over a period of time, once a robot is actually live, then it can connect with your robot for sure.
If your coffee machine is Alexa operated or Google Home operated, then you can maybe ask them to create a webhook and give it to Flexi Agent and set up a crawl.
Yeah, correct. Rodney is asking, hello, you just mentioned that you had an agent for solar. We were testing, not an agent for solar. We are testing for different businesses. So solar was also one of the things. I'm using AI receptionist across about 26 different niches like solar, roofing, plumbing. It would be great if I could look at your MD file for these niches. Would you happen to have those available for us to look at? Rodney, so what we did was to test extensively. We simply went to Claude, right? We asked to write multiple vault files for some random businesses that do not even exist, right? So it gave us random files. And then we asked that, give me a bunch of questions, 120, 130 questions that we can ask this agent and, what answers should we be expecting and all. So that way. So it's not a real business that we are doing a testing on. Vikram Singh Desai ji, start building our own custom agents. Not today. Within the next couple of weeks, you will be in a good position to start building your own custom agents. Not today. Within the next couple of weeks, we will give you the custom agent access. And whenever I say anything, I try to keep a buffer period for us. Uh, I believe that we will be able to give you that option earlier, but I always try to give a with a buffer period. Okay, Padmaji, can you please reach out to our email and sb@flexfirms.com. We can quickly sort it out for you, right, after the webinar. Arman, we need to add Padma to the community. And I guess she said that she does not even have the access. Just reach out to our email. We'll sort it out for you.
Yeah.
Okay. Will it work with boutique CRM as well? Yeah, any kind of business. I mean, every business who has any kind of inquiries, any kind of questions, it can answer. And now what your job is, that how you can increase the lead flow who can reach out to your business. That's the only job. Increase the lead flow and put it on all the right places, Google Maps, your website, contact us, your let's suppose website. On top of the website, did you see, Aman, can you show again? On top of our website, we had put a chat with us button. So put it on top of your website. If the button is there, people 110% do the interactions. Alman, can you show the number of interactions Iris has done, this particular agent has done? Somewhere in the backend, can you show how many chats has been done? See, if you will notice, for our Flexi agent launch, forget about any other product. Now let's talk about Flexi agent. For the Flexi agent launch, Arman, can you open a Flexi Funnels webinar replay page? I want to show you something, okay? एक कोई वेबिनार रिप्ले पेज ओपन करना फ्लेक्सी फनल्स का न्यू टैब में. Okay, is this our latest replay page? One of our latest replay page? And can you just scroll down?
It is.
Can you just
it is.
Can you just scroll down? Yeah, stay over here. यहाँ पे कहीं पे phone number वगैरह भी होगा ना, if this is our latest page. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. See, everybody, you can see, right? We have put the phone numbers of our sales team members over here, that the customers, who are looking at this replay page or looking at the sales page of FlexiFunnels, I would say, they can reach out over there. And we have put a WhatsApp button also over here. On Flexi agent sales page, we never added any phone number. So, Arman, go back to the Flexi agent sales page. So any question any customer had, the only way they can talk is by talking to the Flexi agent bot that we just showed you. And let us show you how many queries it actually answered. So, everybody was interacting just with this only. And let us show you how many queries it answered. So this was our only sales medium. In our emails, everywhere we just mentioned, this is the sales page. All the details are here. If you want to talk, we have the live chatbot right on the sales page. This was our only promotion. For our own product, we wanted to, prove it by not having any human touch over there. Just the sales page, which is again automated, and just the chatbot, which is again automated. So this is what we did ourselves. And so this is exactly how you promote. then it's just a matter of, having as many eyeballs as you can, on your sales page, on your Google map listing, or whatever it is. How many people can see, the chat with us button, how many people will reach out to them. Let me also tell you, in a lot of our customer communication, emails and SMSs and WhatsApps that we are sending out to our prospects, we directly send a WhatsApp chat link, chat over here. This is something that we have done multiple times for Flexi funnels. We directly send a WhatsApp chat link, chat over here. So no interaction in between. People directly chat, and then if they want to talk to any human in the backend, we have put that option also. But like I showed you in the sales webinar, also 80% of the queries they get resolved by the bot itself. So that's how it is.
So yeah, 750 requests have come in the last 30 days from 100 unique users, which is from this agent. And we have been changing and updating the agent also. So there was few older versions of this agent also that might be having few queries.
Right, right. So yeah,
So
this is visible.
750 interactions.
Yeah, so 752 queries answered in the last 30 days. And this what has been live for even more than that, more time than that, I believe. Right. Okay, let me see some of the other questions. Aman, you can, yeah. How many custom agents we can build with Flexi agents? You can build 150 per workspace, right? Okay. Sunita ji is asking, till now I used to do webinars to sell my consultations. Should I now sell directly through the sales agent through WhatsApp instead of webinars? Can you please help? Uh, Sunita ji, see, even we do webinars. Again, webinar is the mass market education about your product. Continue doing that. But is your sales funnel stopping only at webinars? I can tell you, first of all, you can answer me yes or no. If that is the only step that through which people can talk to you. Yes or no? Okay. So you are already losing out on almost 50% of the revenue that you can generate. If you are running a webinar funnel or anybody running a webinar funnel, I have a homework for you. Okay. Inside your Flexi Funnels account, I have a training. I will show you, instead of you try to figure out yourself. Just a moment. Okay. You will go into your Flexi Funnels account. Okay. Yeah. Inside the Flexi Funnels account, in the apps, you will see timeline nomination. Go into timeline nomination, and you will find a course over here, which is course launch secret. Okay. This course was recorded in 8 hours. So I believe you can finish in 8 hours, right? If it can be recorded in 8 hours, it can be finished in 8 hours. In which in between we were talking, interacting, and all of that. So short course, 76 lessons it seems, but short videos, some of them 10, 15 minutes. Watch this course, Sunita ji, and anybody who is running a webinar funnel. This training alone will help you increase your business. We have a full blown after the webinar, when the person has actually got educated about the product, we have a full blown 5-day burst sequence, then we have a full blown 1 month sequence, then we have a full blown 3 month sequence. I mean, somebody who has shown interest in your product, they are interested, they need it. they need help. People are asking for help, that's the solution that you can provide them. But 90% of the people are not first time interaction buyers. They are not even trusting you in the very first time that they have seen you, right? They need that time to trust you. You cannot just leave them after the webinar. You have to have multiple sequences, multiple steps in the follow up. Follow up gets you actual big money, right? Not the first interaction. So just implement what is right over here. And one of the steps is, Arman just showed you a replay page, right? We have a big replay page, right? That we send to all the people, all the customers, all everybody who attended the webinar, I would say. And that applies to all of you, by the way. Anybody who has any kind of sales channel, you need to have, you need to have some kind of big sales page where all the information is there. For example, for Flexi Agent also, we created a sales page, right? Then we kept on sending you to that sales page. Now have a look at this. On this sales page, this is a 2 kilometer long sales page. And then we have the WhatsApp button. So people come, they watch the replay. Again, have a look at the um, this sales page that we created for the Flexi Agent itself, right? We created the sales page with all the webinar replays and everything. The first thing what we have on the top of the sales page is the workshop replay, right? And then we have all the information, the everything what the product can do, everything is right over here. So day number one, we send like 2 or 3 emails with the replay. Day number two, over the period of next 5 days, there are almost 25 or 26 emails that go to a prospect with urgency and everything. And the amount of revenue that gets generated in the live webinar, it actually gets doubled over the period of next 5 days. You are already missing out on 2x revenue, which your business can generate today. Definitely, it's not this or that. It's this and that. You have to do this. You have to do this. The same set of leads can actually convert. I mean, how many of you it took multiple interactions to actually have the confidence to become a member of Flexi Funnels, to become a member of Flexi Agent? Not everybody has is able to trust you on the first go. Not everybody has all their questions answered on the first go. People go, they research. Once they have heard from you 10 times, then they will type on Google, Sunita Das review, Saurabh Patnagar reviews, Flexi Agent reviews. They will do all of their backend research, then they will come back to you. They will not even tell you all of that. Okay, anyways, I'm not familiar with Flexi Funnel setup. If you have set up step-by-step guide, can you share so that we can launch our funnels with Flexi Funnels? If you are yet to launch your funnel, I can help you in 2 ways. You have access to Flexi Funnels already. Okay. Inside Flexi Funnels, you will click on two things: timeline domination. That's first thing. And as a let's say crash course, we have this 15 days first sale challenge. Within the first 2 to 3 trainings, your funnels gets set up. That's step number one. Step number two is inside Flexi Funnels, we have 24/7 live chat support. You already know that, right? So you click on this green button inside your Flexi Funnels account. You click on the book a call button, book a call with our team, let them show you how to move around Flexi Funnels, and on a live call they can actually help you in getting your pages, everything sorted. And step by step they will be able to guide you on on the technical side of Flexi Funnels on how to launch your funnel. And uh, yeah, I mean, all the trainings are right over here also inside the dashboard. But in case you need more hand holding, you can reach out to our team. Otherwise, you simply click on video tutorials. I mean, it's recommended that you see some of the trainings, how to create a page, how to set up the course, all of that. It will simply help you out in doing all the things. Okay. I'm not able to see any. Is there any question which I have missed? I guess. Okay. For today and tomorrow, until we meet on Monday, everybody has clarity on what you need to do. Let me know. Anywhere you are stuck with respect to, let's say, access or getting added to the community, stuff like that, you can reach out to our email. Okay, sp@flexifunnels.com. Let me also share it again in the chat. चेतन जी, मैंने ये बताया था सपोर्ट का क्लॉड फाइल फॉर वॉल्ट क्रिएशन वो अभी रेडी नहीं है. वी विल पुट इट टुनाइट इनटू द कम्युनिटी. अभी वो रेडी नहीं है, वी विल पुट इट टुनाइट. एंड सेल्स वाला वॉल्ट फाइल रेडी है, वो हमने ऑलरेडी चैट में शेयर कर दिया है. वी विल शेयर इट अगेन. अरमान, यू कैन शेयर इट अगेन. ओके. As Naveen is saying, I'm very new to this. I think I need to go to the learning portal. Naveen, yes. See, if you are new, the best thing that you can do is educate yourself, right? Educating yourself is the best thing that anybody can do. We have been educating ourselves a lot over the period of last multiple months. Learning all about agents, all these RAG and all to bring you a platform which is as easy as just uploading a file into Vault. There's a lot of things working behind the scenes. So and at least the basic business principles, if you are a newbie, just talking to you, not to everybody else. If you are a newbie, just always learning the basic business principles is something which is always going to be helpful. And then actually doing it. You can't learn swimming without actually going into the water and just watching the videos, right? So you start doing it over a period of time, be consistent and stuff, things become sorted, right? Okay, I'm a bit confused. When I watched the Flexi Agent campaign, you said that everything to do with Flexi Agent could be done from Flexi Agent. Are you asking, Jeffrey, are you asking about Flexi funnels? Yeah. That agent, Flexi Agent funnel for Flexi funnels is something that we are targeting next week. That's something that we are targeting next week. So yeah, good to bring this up. Next week, we are also targeting the Flexi Agent funnel for Flexi funnels, wherein you can just type and chat, and it will do all the good stuff inside your Flexi funnels account. Creating the page, creating checkout, creating product, connecting it. You will just need to type and chat. Okay, Arman has shared with you the sales agent vault file builder. It's just a prompt. You put it inside your cloud, and it will do the work for you, right? Yes, you can please leave. Everybody, those of you who are sorted, you can leave. No problem. I have only paid the token. I request to share the bank details to pay the rest so that we can get the access full. Sanaullah, yeah, sure. Arman, can you share the remaining payment details? NEFT bank. Sanaullah, we will share the NEFT payment details with you, or do you want a link? In apps, which one I need to open with the Flexi agent? Uh, Bank account would be good. NEFT, right? Arman, you can share that. Rohit, you need to click on the three buttons. Look, let me show you. We have shared the NEFT details, okay? Okay, Rohit, inside your Flexi, you have received the access details already, right? So you will click on these three buttons at the top, and then you will click on Manage Workspace. Okay, that's where you will, once you click on the Manage Workspace, you can see my screen, right? Rohit, once you click on Manage Workspace, you will be able to go over here. See this particular screen, okay? As of now, you will have one workspace. We are looking to add extra workspaces in your account in the upcoming week. All right. Atul is asking how to sell Flexi agents. Atul, see, as of now, we will talk about how to use the agents and how to implement the agents. But as you know, it's solving a real business problem, right? So, I mean, if you are somebody who is an agency owner inside Flexi funnels, I have done plenty of how to get clients training, plenty of them. And recently, we did a freelancing bootcamp, also 6 weeks. Everything is inside Flexi funnels already. Although they were done from the perspective of Flexi funnels, but the principles are the same, right? As long as you know the right customer and you know how to provide them and give them value, then everything else, how to talk to them and stuff, is already covered right over there. So you start learning from there and start approaching clients on the basis of that, right? Yeah, Jyoti will share the video. Yes. Arivagilanji, you can leave. Okay. And we'll connect on Monday again. And tomorrow we will upload the replay. people, we will upload the replay inside the community. We'll upload the replay, and the replay will be there inside the community. Number one, the resources also we will add over there. For example, these Claude prompt files and stuff. And then Monday we will also upload the videos inside the Flexi agent dashboard itself. But I will be looking forward to see what you are building. Let me take you back inside the community again. I will be looking forward to see what you are building, what is your progress, what all things you have done. So inside the community, you can start posting, and we can look at your real feedback. So instead of waiting till Monday, we would be happy to see your feedback right from the word go, right from here, right? So you can come and post right over here. And once we have the replay, we'll put it inside the course area right over here. Okay. Can you share the schedule of sessions so that we can plan our community sessions? Rohit, give us some time here. The product is too new. Something give us, I would say, the first month is going to be a little bit of a non-schedule kind of. We planned the first agent release on 7th, then we targeted 10th, but now we are doing the session on 11th. It's only because we have done FlexiFunnels also before. The first month is always like this. We try to do something or the other comes up. Then we will have a proper schedule. As of now, our plan is that we will release an agent every Friday or Saturday, and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday we will do the implementation workshops. That's what we are going to be doing for now. Okay. Chetanji, we will record a video and put that inside the community. Webhook connection wala. It will be easier to follow from the training. Okay. Okay, I guess there are all the questions which are done. Let me also look at the Q&A. We will see you inside the community. Okay, any questions which are there. And I can see Anand, Isat, you have put the questions inside the Q&A. Next time onwards, just put everything inside the chat. We are always monitoring the chat. Q&A box gets missed. Okay. Uh, Isat, are you there? Isat, are you there? Isat Banu, are you there? Thank you. Yeah, we will. Thank you. Thank you for the concern. Isat Banu, are you there? Can you give me a one in the chat? Alman, we need to connect with Isat. Isat says that the access has not been received. Q&A में एक बार question copy कर ले Q&A में send the email and kindly add me to the community. Yeah, we will do. Alman, Padma वाला copy कर लेते हैं. Isat वाला let's copy. Recording of these sessions will upload by tomorrow. Every recording will upload the next day, and we'll record a short video every Monday. Anand's question was answered again. What kind of question? Okay, Anand's question was answered. Parul Asthana, you got the prompt, right? I believe you got the prompt. Rahim, are you there? Rahim, I hope you are sorted. Or if you are still stuck with your access, just reach out to us on sp@flexifunnels.com. Right? As of now, we are monitoring everything ourselves. Rohit, I just showed some time back. Let me show you again. Inside the community, you can see the course tab right at the top. So right over here, we will add this course over here. Okay. Okay. Resham, I believe your full payment is not yet done. Right? It's not like that customers who have paid in C-part and stuff, they are not added. They are added. But I believe your full payment is not done. I did not get the access in email or flexible app section. So did you? No. It's not there in the app section. You